Hey YouTube, I'm going to do this song by Doves called Carousel. They just put out a live version they did on the BBC, and you can really see what's going on. The song has mostly three chords: C, G, D. So you could play it on an acoustic guitar just in the open position. It would work fine. Back to the old town. We're gonna take you down. But that's not how they're playing it. They're playing it, well, this is one of the ways they play it. It's a very good arrangement of the song. But yeah, so I'm just playing a C. This is a C bar chord. Just taking the F shape out of that, playing it at the 8th, 9th, 10th, 8 on the B, 9 on the G, 10 on the D. That is your C. Then this is your G. It's a D. It's just a D that, like we play down here. Move it up to the 7th fret. It becomes a G. And then we play the D. Same way we played the C. We just slide it up 2 frets to the 10th. I'm gonna take you down. Another way they're playing it is essentially they're playing one finger power chords on the guitar. Like this is a C. This is the. I'm just going to show you the positions that you would get these out of, and then I'll show you how they play it. C power chord, G power chord, D, C, G, D. So at the beginning of the song, what he's doing is he's taking this this part of the C power chord. He's just playing it with one finger on the 10th fret across the A and the D strings. Then you remember we got to go to the G. So he's playing the string D and G at the 12th to get this part of the G power chord. And then A and D strings at the 12th fret are part of the D power chord. So you could just play it like this if you want to. That's how he's playing it in the beginning. And then if there's a guitar solo, and then he does like arpeggios for the guitar solo. And all he's doing is hammering on these stair step shapes. He's hammering on his pinky to the B string at the 10 when he's on the C. And then when he's on the D, he does it at the 12th. And then for the G, he's hammering on the high E at the 10th. Thing they do is, you'll notice every time before the chorus, all the instruments stop. Back to the old. So that pause that they do before the chorus is very important. All the instruments go silent, and then they go into the chorus. I'm gonna take you down. And I think they do that through the whole song. Every time before the chorus, there's a brief pause. Okay, there's only one other part of the song, and that's when they come out of the chorus. Here's what's happening. They go. This is the chorus. Back to the old C, G. And then what they do is they slide down to the D down here at the 7th. Okay, it's part of this D shape. The shape they're playing there is just like an A. Open A, position A. Except it's at the 7th fret, it becomes a D. And I don't know what they're singing, but it kind of goes like this. So it's, I believe that's an augmented chord. So they come out of the that's the end of the chorus, except they go to this D down here. So there's just they're playing the A chord with the pinky or the ring finger on the 9th fret on the A. You're mostly playing like your 5, 4, 3 strings. Walk that down to the 8th fret. Get that augmented chord, which you almost never see in popular music. But they put it in there. It sounds cool. They go to the C. Let's go over that whole thing one more time. C, G. This is at the end of the chorus. They played the D just like A shape. Then they put this root at the 9th fret, which is the F sharp. The F sharp bass over the D at the 9th, and then they go put the C over the D, and then they go back to the chord progression, but they started on the C, G, D. Alright, now I told you you could play it in the open position. Yeah, so if you were going to play this song in the open position, you wanted to play that little section, I would just go to a D minor. Because the augmented is a minor chord, so you could just play a D minor there. So go D major, D minor, C, and then you go back into G, D. Kind of doing some lead guitar improvisation. I hear I'm bending this one on the 12th fret. It's right out of your D minor pentatonic. So I hear him playing that. And then I also hear him going to the relative minor. Which is the this is B. B. So you can play the B minor, and that will give you a major sound. You can play the D minor. But I just hear him going to the D minor for bends. Then right back to the B minor for them. Play the relative major or relative minor. Anyways, you're shifting. Your index finger will be at the 7th fret and the 10th fret, and you play your minor pentatonic shape on both. All right, so that's Dove's Carousel. It's a very it's got a great melody and great arrangement and some interesting guitar. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.